Russell Westbrook and Carmelo Anthony did not play in this game. Will they play on Tuesday going up against the new look Cavs? Hopefully, because we want to see what happens. But if one of these guys doesn't play, I guess they'll be even because the Cavs are without Kevin Love. 3 in the corner. Thunder, they're up big already. In the first half, Paul George dancing. No Westbrook, no Melo, no problem. He'll pick up the slack. He had 33 points in this one, and he also had 5 threes. There goes one of them in transition looking smooth. That scoreboard is a murder. The step back jumper, he's got it. The Grizzlies are getting absolutely destroyed. Now Felton, he's going to throw a lob. Oh, baby, cutting back door. Got to take another look at that. Another angle. Gliding in midair. That's it. Thunder win. I'm going for the takedown. He got me. Maybe I need to land a jab and a straight and then go for it. Nice duck. See, he just moved. He tried a spinning back fist. He tried to get fancy on Moses. Okay. Now, you really got to go to sleep for doing that. How dare you come out here trying to get fancy on Moses?